Welcome to STEM Saturday. I'm Miss Linda, and today we are going to work on some very simple science projects, things that you can do from home and would have probably most of the needed items handy. If you do not, we have offered you, and you should hopefully have picked it up by now, your take-home science kit. In your take-home science kit, if you registered for this program, you will find this yellow packet. These are the instructions and the reasons for what happens in these experiments right here all together. You will also find in your packet a blue My Science notebook. This is for you to write notes. What did you like about the experiment? How did it work? Or perhaps, a lot of times in my case, how did it not work? Or why did it not work? You're also going to find all of the items needed for the different projects that we're going to do right now. So we are going to start with the first. If you open up your packets, if you have them in front of you, the first experiment is going to be, let's see, the magic towel. And what this is about can you keep the towel dry? So you are going to have a bowl, and in the bowl you are going to add enough water that we're going to cover up that cup a little bit. You need a bowl of water. Of course, the bowl and the water are not provided. You should have this and put plenty of water in there. And then we are going to take a cup, any cup. This happens to be an easy plastic cup. This is actually from the Peters Township Community Television. So we are going to take that. Then you are going to take your paper towel. Like I said, all the instructions are on here. You are going to scrunch it up and stuff it into your cup. Now the question is going to be, if I put this in the water upside down with the towel in it, is it going to get wet or will it stay dry? What do you think? Well, let's find out. So we're going to put it in. Now, if all my experiments don't work for me, that doesn't mean they're not going to work for you, because sometimes stuff happens. But I'm always willing to give it a try. So I'm going to take my cup with the towel. I'm going to dump it in. I have it sitting in the water. As you can see, the water's almost halfway up the cup. So we are going to hold it and what do you think? I think by now it would be soaked. We're going to pull it out. Let me see. Perfectly dry. So you give it a try and see. And the reason why it's perfectly dry is on your sheet. I'll let you read it. I don't need to read that to you. The next experiment that we are going to try, we're going to have fun with foil. Now, this is something that you have in your home. I put some foil in anyway, which it may be better to just get a piece of foil on your own from your own roll, because actually by the time it gets to you, it's a little wrinkly and hard to see. But what you want to do, there are two sides to foil. This one's kind of a duller finish on this side, shinier. And you want to take the foil, this is a pretty big piece, so I'll just fold it in half. And take the shiny side and look in there and see if you can see your reflection. Now I can see my reflection. It's not necessarily going to be perfect. It's not going to be like a mirror, but you can see it. And now if you crumple it up, now I have to say I could see it, but it was a little difficult because mine's not totally smooth. If your piece that I sent in your packets is not totally smooth, get a piece of foil fresh and try it that way. Look into the foil, and then, as the instructions say, you're going to crumble it up. Then we're going to spread it out flat. Oh, this one's going to be a mess. It's going to be hard to do. Do you think I'm going to be able to see myself in this? I don't know. Uh-oh. I think I crumpled it really good. Now, here's my shiny side. There's my dull side. And as you can see, I can't really see anything. I see a bunch of crinkles is what I see. And you're gonna find out, where did your reflection go? So, try the experiment and then read what happened. That is experiment number 2.